So, we're packed. I finished my PhD in Atlanta. Here we are heading out all the way to West Coast to Santa Barbara, California. So, we've arrived to Memphis, booked the cheapest motel, and here we are. I like the light, especially out there. Yeah, so this is the motel, and then there is a train station right nearby. So we'll be soothed in the night by the train sounds. Really worried that my car is gonna get stolen tonight, so I took out the necessities out of the car, all the documents and the goose. So it's 11 a.m. This is downtown Memphis, Beale Street. It is Sunday, so apparently everyone is in church because there's not a single person around, except for this guy. Nothing much, just stopped in Little Rock, Arkansas for lunch break in a ho-ho cafe. They have an insane amount of trophies with little piggies on top.
Опасайтесь, эффекта бабочки.
Another day is over. We're here at Oklahoma City and we've just checked in the same hotel and the same brand as last time. This kind of looks maybe more friendly because there is no like evil flickering light. We're just learning about what motels actually are. They're exactly what you see in the movies where, you know, your main character is on the run. We made it to Santa Rosa, New Mexico. The day was amazing. I drove most of the time in the daylight. We saw all the Texas plains and grass fields, a lot of cows. We went to the famous Big Texan Steakhouse. It was amazing. And then we went to the Cadillac Ranch and I even spray painted some work of art on those Cadillacs. This hotel looks exactly like a previous one, but except for this family of cats we found. So this is one cat. Oh, there's more. There's a little kitten. So this is how it looks in the broad daylight. I had no idea there is just fields and fields from here.
Смотри, какой конвой у этого.
Это просто долго счастливые отношения. Мне говорили, что именно твоя девушка, с которой ты 5 лет встречаешься, да. Как ты все еще не умеешь сосать. Что значит уметь сосать?
Смотри, какой. Мы, слушай, мы это засняли же, да, на GoPro.
Само. Хороший поцелуй, это когда вы в гармонии.
It only happened once, I swear. I lost my mind. I lost myself there when there were and couldn't find. I painted darkness cozy, covered it with smell. The silhouette sound of the and through the stars that burn so tender, and through confusing haze of space, I suddenly remember your face. It only happened once, I swear. I went too far, and then kept walking on thin air among the stars. The world around's a daydream, memories alive. I'm scared that I'm forgetting your smile. And through the stars that burn so tender, what burned my consciousness like flame, suddenly remember your name.
Что-то не так у нас?
Ну,
Voice is the thin cable that keeps me from fading out in the open space. Don't ever hang up, I need to wake up. This is my only chance. What's left of me has turned to nothing, because the number I have reached is not available or doesn't exist. He was sick, yet she was sick. Lady, he was stone and red, she was Satan. When they first met, the cat was in trouble. Now they're best friends, the rock kind of couple. Meeting on the roof, when sitting up there watching stars and the town beneath the hawk closed their eyes. She sometimes asked why no he ain't a man. He only laughed, I won't be one if I can see you stood up here again.
Ramada in Santa Monica. So we made it to West Coast. This is my car. It was a bit dirtied up by the trip. I must tell you, LA traffic is something else. After driving through deserts and fields for 5 days, driving into the city was kind of a mess. Чувак вообще не стесняется, смотри. Говорит, я король белок, я повелитель белок. Ого! Убежали.
Что с тобой, солнце?